dear children, I am back with a new video, and this video is on OP family, O-P, OP. So let's start it. So once upon a time, there was a letter O and there was a letter P, and both of them were very sad like this girl. And why were they sad? Because they don't have any friend. So one day O and P thought, let us be friends with each other. So O and P, they shook their hands together and then they become OP. O-P, OP. And this is called as OP family. Isn't it great? And after that, they partied and they made many words. First of them is top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Top mane laddu. Second word is mop. Mop mane पोंछा. जब घर में कुछ गंदा हो जाता है तो हम पोंछा लगाते हैं, right? Mop, 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 mop. Third word is hop. Hop माने उछलना. ये कार्टून आप देख रहे हैं, उछल रहा है. Hop, 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 hop. And this is called as cop. Cop, 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 cop. आप cop को पुलिस भी कहते हैं. So cop is another word for police. Cop. Now let's revise these words with the help of a rhyme. Top, 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 top. It is my top. Mop, 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 mop. I have a mop. Hop, 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 hop. I like to hop. Cop, 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 cop. I am a cop. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.